If you want to turn off group tabs in Google Chrome or get rid of an active tab group without losing any of your open pages, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to ungroup your Chrome tabs so each page stays open individually. This is super useful if your browser feels cluttered, if you accidentally created a tab group, or if you just want your tabs back to normal. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the tab group you want to remove. You'll usually see a colored dot or a colored label with a title next to your grouped tabs. That colored area is what tells you the tabs are part of a group. To turn off the group, right-click directly on the colored dot or on the text title of the tab group. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Ungroup. As soon as you do that, Chrome will remove the group boundary, but your tabs will stay open exactly as they are. They will not be closed, and you won't lose your pages. If the group is still showing or you want to make sure it's fully removed, just repeat the same step again. Right-click the colored dot or group title one more time and click Ungroup again. In some cases, this is all you need to fully clear the grouping and return your tabs to normal. Once the group is removed, you can move and organize your tabs however you want, without that group section keeping them together. This is a fast way to clean up your Chrome browser and regain control over your tabs. So to recap, right-click the group, choose Ungroup, and if needed, click Ungroup again until the tabs are no longer grouped. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.